Hello everyone, good morning. Dear students, today we are going to discuss the topic torque, chapter 7, class 11th physics. Torque or moment of force. Rotational analog of force is the moment of force. It is also referred to as torque. Means torque and moment of force are one of the same thing. The tendency of a force to rotate an object about some axis is measured by a vector quantity called torque and represented by symbol tau. What is torque? It is a vector quantity and it is a tendency of force to rotate an object about some axis. Okay? जब आप किसी बॉडी पे फोर्स लगाते हैं और वो बॉडी किसी एक्सिस के अबाउट रोटेट करती है, that effect of force, rotating effect of force is called torque. It is measured as the product of force and perpendicular distance from the pivot point to the line of action of force. Pivot point means that point about which body is rotating, and line of action of force is the line of action of force is an imaginary line extending out both ends of the vector representing that force. ठीक है, जो वेक्टर फोर्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है उस वेक्टर को दोनों साइड एक्सटेंड करके जो इमेजिनरी लाइन बनती है, दैट इमेजिनरी लाइन इज कॉल्ड लाइन ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ फोर्स. और उस लाइन की पिवट पॉइंट से परपेंडिकुलर जो डिस्टेंस है, दैट परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस मल्टीप्लाई फोर्स इज कॉल्ड टॉर्क. These are the three coordinate axes: x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. This is any point P having position vector r vector with respect to origin O. This is the force F applied on this point P. And this is the direction of r vector. So angle between force and r vector is theta, and this is the line of action of force, and its perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation or from point O is r sine theta. This r sine theta is the perpendicular distance of line of action of force from that pivot point, the point about which particular body is rotating. And this is the direction of torque tau. If force F acts on any particle at any point P having position vector r vector, then the moment of force acting on the particle with respect to origin O is given by, तो टॉर्क का फॉर्मूला है tau vector is equal to r vector cross f vector, r cross f. This is the cross product, and we cannot write it like f cross r because cross product of two vectors do not obey commutative law. In magnitude form, tau is equal to r f sine theta. We know that when we remove the cross product, we use sine theta, and at the place of dot product, we use cos theta. So here torque tau is equal to r f sine theta. The direction of torque is given by the right-handed screw rule, which we have studied earlier. It is perpendicular to the plane containing r vector and f vector. In this case, it emerges out of the plane. Okay? जो टॉर्क की डायरेक्शन है आप राइट हैंडेड स्क्रू रूल से फाइंड कर सकते हैं, और टॉर्क जो है दैट विल बी परपेंडिकुलर टू आर वेक्टर एज वेल एज परपेंडिकुलर टू एफ वेक्टर. सो वी कैन से द डायरेक्शन ऑफ टॉर्क विल बी perpendicular to plane containing r vector and f vector. जिस प्लेन के ऊपर आर वेक्टर और एफ वेक्टर होंगे और उस प्लेन के परपेंडिकुलर होगा टॉ वेक्टर, टॉर्क। ओके, और यहां पे इस पर्टिकुलर डायग्राम में टॉ वेक्टर जो है, टॉर्क जो है, उसकी डायरेक्शन होगी परपेंडिकुलर आउटवर्ड्स, emerging out of the plane. These are the two diagrams. Observe these carefully. In diagram 1, we are using r sin theta, and in diagram 2, we are using f sin theta. Torque can be interpreted in two ways. Torque tau is equal to, as we have studied earlier, its formula is rf sin theta. Okay, sin theta we can use with r or with f in two ways. If we are using sin theta with r, so r sin theta into f. So we can write torque tau is equal to perpendicular distance multiply force. And in second case, torque tau is equal to rf sin theta. Here we are using sin theta with f, so we can say torque tau is equal to r multiply the component of force which is perpendicular to r. In case 1, position vector r vector is resolved and perpendicular component r sin theta is used for the torque. In case 2, force vector f vector can be resolved and perpendicular component f sin theta can be used for the torque. Note, torque tau is equal to 0 if r is equal to 0 or f is equal to 0 or theta is equal to either 0 or 180 degree, because we know that torque tau is equal to rf sin theta. So torque depends upon r, f and theta, and torque tau will be equal to 0 if either r equal to 0 or f equal to 0 or theta is equal to 0 or 180 degree. Thus, the moment of a force vanishes if either the magnitude of the force is 0 or if the line of action of force passes through the origin. If the direction of force F vector is reversed, the direction of moment of force is also reversed. यदि आप F वेक्टर फोर्स की डायरेक्शन को रिवर्स करेंगे तो टॉर्क की डायरेक्शन भी रिवर्स हो जाएगी. एंड इफ डायरेक्शन ऑफ बोथ R वेक्टर एंड F वेक्टर आर रिवर्स्ड, यदि आप दोनों की डायरेक्शन R वेक्टर की डायरेक्शन और F वेक्टर की डायरेक्शन दोनों को रिवर्स कर देंगे, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मोमेंट ऑफ फोर्स रिमेन्स द सेम. तो टॉर्क की डायरेक्शन मूवमेंट ऑफ फोर्स की डायरेक्शन चेंज नहीं होगी, दैट विल रिमेन सेम. टॉर्क शुड नॉट बी कंफ्यूज्ड विद फोर्स. टॉर्क को आपने फोर्स के साथ कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. फोर्सेस कैन कॉज ए चेंज इन लीनियर मोशन एज डिस्क्राइब्ड बाय न्यूटन सेकंड लॉ. जैसे न्यूटन के सेकंड लॉ में बताया था, फोर्सेस जब आप किसी बॉडी पे अप्लाई करते हैं तो फोर्सेस क्या करती हैं, चेंज इन लीनियर मोशन और लीनियर मोमेंटम यू कैन से. Forces can also cause a change in rotational motion, but the effectiveness of the forces in causing this change, means change in rotational motion, depends on both the forces and movement arm of forces. Movement arms of forces means that perpendicular distance. In this case, in rotational motion, the change in rotational motion depends upon two things, forces as well as movement arms, or you can say perpendicular distance. In combination that we call torque. ठीक है, तो लीनियर मोशन में फोर्स जो है वो लीनियर मोशन को चेंज करता है. ओके, एंड रोटेशनल मोशन में जो फोर्स है दैट चेंज इन रोटेशनल मोशन. Forces can also cause a change in rotational motion that depends upon two things. One is forces, or you can say magnitude of forces, and second is moment arms. And combination of these two factors we call torque. Here, SI unit of torque is Newton meter, as it is force multiply perpendicular distance. The unit of force is Newton and unit of distance is meter. Do not confuse torque and work, which have the same units but are very different concepts. Torque and work के जो units हैं वो same हैं but दोनों concept बिल्कुल अलग हैं. So don't be confused. Thank you. Have a nice day.